College. O, sige, balik tayo sa college life. Ilang years ang college? 4 minimum, 'di ba? Maybe 3.5 if trisem kayo, pero still that's a lot of time of your life, 'di ba? Na ang dami mong pag-aaralan at that time, ang daming examinations, ang daming experiences. But at the end, when you graduate, 'di ba mas parang may sense of achievement na attached dun sa goal na yon na na-achieve ninyo over a long period of time or over a longer period of time at least. So that's another thing to consider when being patient, you know. The delayed gratification. The thought of being a bit more fulfilled para sa akin na hindi mo ni rush or hindi na rush yung bagay na na-achieve mo or nakuha mo or nabili mo. Which brings me to my last segment and advice to y'all is that have the dream but set achievable goals along the way. So kung meron kayong pangarap, okay lang mangarap. Yun nga sabi nila, libre lang mangarap. Lalo kung if your dream is like really high up there, you know, like being a millionaire, billionaire, owning your business, owning your whatever. That's a high expectation, which is okay. Again, if medyo hindi feasible, then you have to change your goals na lang. So for example, ang goal mo or ang dream mo is magkaroon ka ng bahay before 30. Okay? So I think that's achievable naman, yeah. It depends. Pero the important thing there is set goals along the way. Huwag kang masyadong fixated dun sa parang future mo. So parang you're thinking already 9 years ahead agad, ganyan. Like, I have to get here, I have to get here. Yes, you have to get there, but how will you get there? That's really where the question is, you know? Like, dun